Right? The first one is that is service quality positively related to student satisfaction in an ODL institution? Is service quality positively related to student intention to complete a study program in an ODL institution? Is student satisfaction positively related to student intention to complete a study program in an ODL institution? This is a correlation analysis. Now, this will be followed by an impact study. Alright? What is the impact of service quality on student satisfaction? What are the impacts of service quality and student satisfaction on student intention? Now, here there are two independent variables, service quality and student satisfaction. What are the impacts of service quality dimensions on student satisfaction? As you all know, service quality is measured also in terms of, in my context, is in terms of 5 dimensions. So I have to also want to find out what kind of impact of the dimensions on the student satisfaction. How well does the SERPA measurement model fit the observed data in ODL institution? Now, I at the same time want to test whether the instrument for SERPA can really be used as an instrument to measure service quality. How reliable and valid is the instrument? Right? So these are my questions. So I translated this question to 6 hypotheses. Right? Actually 7, but 7 is not a hypothesis. Now, service quality is positively related to student satisfaction. Service quality is positively related to student intention to complete study. Service quality has a significant impact on student satisfaction. Service quality and student satisfaction have significant impact on student intention to complete study. And the 5 dimensions are tangibility, responsibility, reliability, assurance, and empathy of service quality have signal on student satisfaction. Now, lastly, I will validate the instrument using the technical CFA, confirmatory factor analysis. Now, how important is this study? To me, it is very important because you will provide a better understanding of the 3 constructs. How are they related? Right? Now, I also be able to know whether the SERPA as an instrument can be used to measure service quality. And then, it is also a tool for measuring areas in ODL that need improvement. Because SERPA will be able to identify, theoretically, the strength and the weaknesses of service quality. And therefore, in that context, you will be able to help the practitioner to identify what are the strong areas, what are the weak areas in ODL for improvement. And of course, this is an institutional research, and it really makes a practical case of conducting institutional research in ODL environment. Now, what kind of methodology do I adopt? What kind of methodology to adopt? I am using a cross-sectional analysis, not experimental design. I will use confirmatory factor analysis to confirm my model, my instrument. I will do correlation analysis. I will do also multiple regression techniques. And my unit of analysis is the undergraduate of OUM. The OUM is actually selected as the institution to represent ODL institution. Now, what kind of model? Now, this model is not simple. The data from Cronin and Taylor. That basically how service quality and satisfaction are related to intention and what kind of dimensions are affecting. Now, this is actually based on the hypothesis that I already formulated. And these are the beta. These are the beta to test whether this beta is 0 or not. Because once it's 0, it's not significant. Right? So that is the kind of test. And in terms of analysis relating to the model, this is the correlation which I will not explain.